Hello, what's up, guys? This is day 62 of my DSA challenge, and today we have done a question from the driver side sheet from the binary search section. So the question states that we have to find the row with the maximum ones. Given a non-empty grid mat is a matrix consisting of only zeros and ones, where all the rows are sorted in ascending order. Find the index of the row with maximum numbers of ones. So if two rows have the same number of ones, consider the one with a smaller index. So the one appearing first will get the priority. And if no one exists in the matrix, return -1. So that's how it is. So for example, in this matrix, the first row is 1, 1, 1, second row is 0, 0, 1, and the third row is 0, 0, 0. So in this question, we have to return the maximum number of rows with ones. So in this example, the after checking out each manually, like the first row is containing three ones, second row is containing one, and the third row has zero. So the maximum one is the zeroth row. So in the output, we are going to return zero. One is appearing at the second index, and the total number of columns here are three. So we can simply find the number of ones by doing like number of rows, that is number of columns, that is three, minus the one we are getting is at the position two. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So we are getting the number of ones in the row is 1. So that is how we are going to implement the binary search in this question. So first we are going to find the lower bound by doing this concept. I have covered this already in the previous reel of day 33. And in the row matrix, we are going to keep two counters, that is max count and the index to keep the track of the index. And first we are going to define this for the column iteration and this one for the row. So we are going to do like int one count. This will return the count of ones in the array. Like that will be number of rows minus the number of ones we are getting, not rows, number of columns. And if the ones count is greater than the max count we have defined earlier, change the value of max count and index to the high. And at last we are going to return index. And in case if it is not found, we are simply going to return -1.